Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I want to give you guys an up-close look at this multifunctional bar table for outdoors and these beautiful bar stools. To get started, I want to show you what the assembly process looked like, and then I'll jump in and tell you all of the features of the products and the things that my family really loves about them.
So here's a look at how everything arrived for the table. It was well packed and protected. The assembly starts by attaching the inner and outer legs where the shelves will go. All of the parts were clearly labeled and the instructions were simple to follow. You do, however, want to make sure the outside legs have the shelf holes facing the same direction as the inner legs. Then we assembled the wine glass shelf and screwed that in place, followed by the bottom shelf. Next, we attached the last two legs, and these are joined to the other legs with a long support bar. Last but not least, we put the wheels on, making sure not to over tighten the screw so they could spin easily. And the final touch was placing the lid to the tabletop, and assembly was complete. Now let's move on to the bar stools. They also arrived pristinely packaged. We start by taking the back side of the chair and attaching the seat base to it. Then the two side footrests get attached. This was the only step that wasn't clear in the instructions. You want to make sure the angled side to the foot bars are what gets placed on the back legs of the chair, and the angle will allow the bars to stand straight up. Our first attempt at this was wrong, but it was very easy and quick to fix when we realized it. Next, we attach the front legs of the chair to the seat and then to the footrest bars. Lastly, we placed the seat cushion with the Velcro straps, and the first chair was done. Of course, I had to try it out real quick, and it was great. We followed the same process for the next chair, minus the mistake we made, and completed it in no time. Everything looked great, and we couldn't wait to get them on our back porch.
So assembly was a breeze, and between my husband and I working on this at a relaxed pace, it took us about an hour to do both items, and everything feels durable and well made. Now this bar table is so multifunctional, whether it is being used just for your family to sit and relax at and have a space to hang out, or if it's being used for hosting, it's extra tabletop space, a place for you to store drinks and food. On the far side here, it's 3 tiers. The top here has a little lid that can either extend the counter space, or you can put in an ice bucket here and use it to keep your drinks nice and cool. Below that, you have a blank shelf for use however you see fit. And then on the bottom side of that shelf are some wine glass holders, so you can easily store your glasses there and have them accessible to you. And below that is another shelf if you want to store any items there. And then of course you have your spacious tabletop. However, this bar table is super space saving. It's not super deep or that long, so if you do have a smaller space, this is incredibly convenient. And it does have the 2 wheels that you saw there in the assembly process, so it's going to be easily movable. If you want to relocate it somewhere, it's going to be a breeze to do that. And then the other side are 2 fixed legs so that when you place it where you want it, it's not going to move around. And all of the fixed legs do have adjustable bases, so you can make sure that it's nice and stable. The whole table is a powder coated metal, making it weatherproof and water resistant. It's going to be easy to clean and care for and ensure long-term use, whether indoors or outdoors. Below the tabletop, there is a long support bar that's not only going to add to stability for this item, but it also acts as a nice footrest. If you're not using the matching stools for this and don't have a footrest there, then you can easily use that support bar as a footrest. Now, as far as the bar stools go, they are such a great companion to this bar table. They are the perfect height and they match it seamlessly. It is also a powder coated metal, so it's going to hold up well in any kind of outdoor space. And then you have this really nice cushion. This is 2 inches thick. It is well padded and very comfortable. And this does have a wide back, so you can easily sit back and relax and rest. There are footrests along every side of the chair, so you can easily turn and sit from any side. And it's also going to give that extra stability to the chair. Plus it has the adjustable foot pads, so if it is on an uneven surface, you can easily stop any kind of wobble that the chair has and it will sit nice and secure. The seat cushion is easily removable. It velcros to the back of the seat, and the cover for the seat pad is removable, so you can easily pop this in a washing machine and give it a nice clean. The chairs do fit perfectly underneath the tabletop, so you can push those in and save that extra space wherever you use your chairs and table. Now, my family adores this set for any season. We love it here on our back patio so that we have a place to hang out and relax together. It's extra space whenever we want to grill out, and it's a space for us to sit while our child plays in the backyard. So we love this for so many reasons, and it's certainly going to serve a purpose when we host or have gatherings so that we have the extra space to do that. So we absolutely love these for their style, their durability, and their comfort, and all of their versatility. If you guys were looking for a great outdoor bar set or even indoor, this is a great choice. I think you guys would love it. I would definitely give them a try.